Hi, welcome to the Vault, version 3.0. We're going to talk about aircraft we're interested in finding. So this side of the screen, we've got a drop-down menu up top that is a jet finder. It'll allow us to find models, compare and save models, and then we've got a search bar down here. So let's look at, there's three ways that people ask us to find airplanes. The first is they know a make and model. The second is they know a make and model, but they're interested in what other similar models might also fit that performance and price range. The third way is they have no make and model in mind, and they just ask us, they tell us their mission, and we recommend models for them. So let's go to the first version here. We'll pick Jet Finder and pick a G550, okay? So when we hit find, we come to the 28 G550s for sale. So we found one model, 28 aircraft. If we scroll the screen, we're going to see all 28 of those aircraft here sequentially by serial number from oldest to newest. There's some minimal information about each aircraft, and I have the ability to go look at that spec. So number 25 being marketed by Leading Edge. Okay, so if we come back to the aircraft for sale, let's go. Remember I said there were three ways we find it. You like the G550 and ask us, well, what similar models should I also consider? Here's the Global 6000. So again, looks familiar, right? There's the Global 6000 marketplace, and now there were other models there, the 7X. You could look at comparable airplanes. The third way that we find airplanes for people is that we use our advanced search feature. So if we open the search bar, advanced search, now what we're going to do is we're just going to look at, there's a number of filters here that help us shrink all the models we consider. Let's go 5,000 miles and 12 seats. When I hit find after that happens, that will zero in on 9 models that meet that criteria. Recognize the 6000, you already saw that. The G550, here's the Falcon 7X, so you get the idea that very quickly you're getting market for sale information about the three aircraft. So those are the ways we can find airplanes in the Vault as a visitor. Let's talk about your visitor status. There's 3 levels of registration in Vault 3.0. We just modeled visitor. If you want to go to higher functions in the Vault, we're going to ask for a relationship and level of registration. There's essentially 4 things that we're going to ask you to do. Every model you can compare models, so you could compare the 550 to the 6000 7X. You could compare aircraft within the model, okay? You could save a model or aircraft so that under your Jet Finder tab you'd have saved models and saved airplanes. And lastly, you'd have notifications. You could receive notifications every time a particular model you're interested in is sold, comes on the market for sale, or has a price change. So again, there's an entirely standalone registration tutorial that talks in deeper about that. I wanted to bring it up here because you could have clicked some buttons that very intuitively, take you to functions that require registration. So that's why we discussed it here. Hope you enjoy finding aircraft in the Vault and start a relationship with Guardian Jet. Thank you.